Hello, my name is Peter. This is going to be a video tour of the Troy Transit Center in Troy, Michigan. This is a multimodal station. It features both Amtrak and bus service. You see some of the bus sheds to the left right by the American flag there. There's also one directly across the street. This is a non-manned station. You can't purchase tickets here. You have to have a reservation to get on board Amtrak. But we'll take a look inside. Directly on the left there is a small waiting area. The station has limited hours. It's only open about an hour before Amtrak arrives on the different trains. To your left, as I said, here's the waiting area. There's a plaque dedicating the transit center when it was made in 2013. Some various information advising passengers to go over to the platform about 10 minutes prior to the arrival of a train. There's bathrooms there to the back. Again, it's a very small waiting area. No ticket counter, no ticket kiosk or anything like that. No cafeteria service. This is what they have, is a snack machine and a pop machine. Some brochures there for travel in Michigan. There isn't actually a schedule posted anywhere in the station. They do have this video screen, but both the information printed and the video screen tell you to either call Amtrak's 800 number or to check the webpage for train information. There's just some various screens of information. You're seeing a reflection there on the bottom from the windows towards the back of the station. Now, to get up to the platform across the tracks, they have elevators and they also have a stairway. The stairway would be to our back. We're going to go up the elevator at this side. Now, the track is kind of in an elevated position, so the elevator ride up on this side of the station is a little bit longer than the one on the other side, as well, obviously, as the stairway. There's some extra flight of steps to get you up there because of that. So we get out. That's the walkway across the track platform. That's what it looks like. That's the bus stop, and that's the front of the station again. So we're going to go across the track. As I said, it's a dual main line. I want you to notice the width of the tracks here. That's looking towards Pontiac. You kind of see how the track pulls away there. And then when you look on the other side, it's quite wide. And if you look all the way down towards the top of the screen, you're going to see where the track kind of pulls back together. It's kind of like having a switch, that kind of a curve, without having a switch there. I'm not sure why they do that, other than the fact that maybe they thought it was safer if the track was wider. But one of the issues with that is you can only board the train from that one track. There was a time when there was some maintenance of way equipment on the track, and I do have another video that you can see that. They actually skipped the Troy train station and went right from Pontiac to Royal Oak because of that. Royal Oak you can board on both tracks because it's much thinner division between the two. Now this is the stairway down to the platform. You can see the platform there, and as you can see, it wasn't as high as the other one because of the difference in the elevation. If you take the elevator down, you eventually get into this same room. When you get on the ground floor, behind you would be the doorway that the elevator people would come through. So everybody's going to go through that door to get onto the platform. Now you'll notice it is a very long platform when you get out there. This is just a sign that tells you there's three different messages there. Obviously, it welcomes you to the facility. Also tells you that when a train is approaching to be careful. And of course, it advises you the typical Amtrak, stay back of the yellow line. But I want you to notice how long the platform is. You can board about 3 cars here. For example, the Royal Oak station that I featured in some of my other videos, you can only board about 2 cars. And once you're on this platform, it does have a passenger shed in the event there's some elements there that you gotta shield yourself from while the train is approaching. Directly to the left there is the wheelchair lift for handicapped to get into the train car, the passenger little shed there. But you'll notice how long that platform is. And look at it from the other angle, looking back towards the station. That's the walkway that goes over the tracks. And that's the waiting area. Your typical Canadian National sign. Here's the arrival of one of the trains. This coming from Pontiac, train 353. Now this is a typical consist of the Wolverine service train, which this is. 5 cars, generally 4 cars and a cafe car. Now as the train departs, the next stop will be Royal Oak, which is about 6 minutes down the track. Now this is looking from the parking lot. There's free parking here in Troy. This is right behind the shopping center. So it's a very nice parking lot to park into if you're going on a trip. We're just obviously looking towards the station again. And this is the back of the station. That was the window you saw reflected in that information board a little while ago. Again, the bus shed to the right. Transit center to the left. This shows you the elevation of the track. This is from the actual station looking out the window. That's the platform, passenger shed. Just your basic Amtrak information, safety tips. Little notice down there that a station is patrolled by the Troy Police Department. Now you notice the train that's coming back. This started in Chicago, coming back to Pontiac on the exact same track. Same consist, engine, 5 passenger cars. Next stop would be Pontiac. That would be the end of Wolverine service. Kind of see how that track comes together again down there. So we're shooting this from the platform. That's why you hear some people that just got off the train going back to the waiting area in the front of the station. I do appreciate you watching this video. I'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe to the channel. If you want some information on future videos, please hit that little bell icon. I try to load videos every week. I try to do them on a Monday schedule with every now and then some extra videos. Again, I thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And thank you very much.